Right. Every house is builded by some man, but he that built all things is God. Here's the board fitting continued. There's our log scribe. There. There. Got a little bit of a shadow going. Hopefully you can see that. I wound up notching this one that I told you initially that I did not, but I did. I wanted to have plenty of clearance. And then there's the final one. It's actually the first one. But anyway, a little commentary on that particular board. My wife and I were discussing it. I've got probably a day's worth of labor in that board, from cutting the tree down to milling it out and then doing the scribe and the fit. Probably an 8-hour workday in one board, and that is white oak. If you're looking at the market right now, white oak is very expensive. But glad to have it. Maybe the scribe and fit that you saw was helpful for you. And I realize this is rough carpentry, and those that do precision carpentry, this is pitiful, but for me it's enjoyable what we're doing here. I appreciate your views. Thank you for watching.